You are now live. And we'll wait for people to get on. Wow, so many people. Hello po. What's up, guys? I haven't been live on Instagram in a while. Alright, we have 1,438 people. Hello po sa inyo lahat, 1,540. We're at 1,681. Okay! Magta 2,000 viewers na po tayo. What's up, everyone? Hindi ako nakapag-showtime today. I'm so sad. I've just been stuck inside of my house the whole day. Hi, Ate Laura. Nasa bahay lang ako. 2 araw na ako dito sa loob ng bahay. Hindi ako makalabas. Bestie! Iba din nag-live. Wala akong magawa, bestie. Pero ang rason ng live ko ngayon ay dahil may pinost ang Star Music kanina na isang teaser. And, ayun, may pa-clue kami. So, at 12 a.m. mamaya, it's in like 5 minutes. Meron po kaming surprise para sa inyo. So, I hope you guys are ready for that. Kasi, wala, trip lang namin ng Star Music. But I'm here on live now for you guys to kind of, ano ba yung abang sa English? Kind of look forward to it. So in 5 minutes, Star Music and I have a surprise for all of you. And as you saw on Star Music socials, I have a new song called Miss. So ano lang to, super spontaneous, trip lang. Hindi planado. Tsaka gandang-ganda po sila sa song na to. This is the first song I'm releasing with Star Music na hindi ako yung nagsulat. And I hope that you guys like it. So ayun. Kaya ako live, bestie. Tsaka nakita ko yung paghula mo kanina sa Karaoke Kids. Okay na sana. I mean, tama naman yung pagkanta mo sa kanta. Yung title lang talaga kayo ni Sean. Ano sabi mo, Kimo? Kimo said, Mind Cap. Eto, ano to? New era lang to. Okay. What's up, everyone? I didn't expect so many people to still be awake. Hello po sa inyong lahat. So, yeah. Hello po, Darenatics. Hello to everyone here. Sana lahat po kayo ay ligtas ngayon. I hope you and your families are safe. You and your pets as well. Wherever you may be. Mag-comment po kayo kung baha din sa inyo. Katulad ng sa amin. Buti yung tubig. Wala naman sa street ko. Pero kanina talaga akalang makakapasok ako sa showtime. Kasi walang tubig sa street ko as in dry. Tapos pagka turn namin, yun, baha na. Bakit Kuya Eric sabi niya? Sabi ni Kuya Eric, ikaw muna, Dami nagko-comment sa Cap, Kuya Mac. Sabi ni Kuya Mac, tinuturuan ko kanina di nila maliprid. Salamat Kuya Mac. At least trinay mong tulungan sina Bestie at si Sean. What's up, Jels? I miss you too. Jala Atayde. Dito rin si Kuya Mikey. Kuya Mikey, ano na? Dapat may endorsement shoot kami ni Kuya Mikey. Wala, hindi na tuloy. Na-cancel po. Buti na lang kasi hindi pala ako makakalabas ng aking village, subdivision. Hi. So yeah. I'll talk about Miss. So, I'll end this live in like 2 minutes, but for you guys who are watching, ang Miss po ay isang, surprise namin ng Star Music para sa inyo. It talks about missing someone who, was important in your life. Isang taong talagang may meaning sa inyo, or it can even be a pet of yours. Mga ganun, marami siyang meaning pero yun naman talaga, yung title niya mismo, Miss, it's very straightforward. It's that feeling of missing something or someone. So, ayun, para po sa inyong lahat, na yung sa iba nangungulila or something. And it's just very spontaneous, this release. It's not something we planned. It's not something that we like did a whole release for, katulad nung Bibitaw Na, yung Iyo, yung Hanggang Kailan. Ito talaga, ano lang siya, trip-trip lang namin ng Star Music. So in a minute, it's about to be released at 12 midnight. Sana po magustuhan po ninyo. And tweet about it. Post it on your social media. Share it with your friends and family. At sana po ay magustuhan ninyo. Hi, Aliyah. Stay safe sa inyong lahat. Dianetics, I love you guys so much. Go on to Spotify, iTunes, YouTube Music now, and stream Miss. Maraming salamat po. Bye!